How does cable shielding prevent noise in your music studio? Imagine trying to listen to your favorite song, but there's a constant hum or buzz ruining the experience. That annoying noise often comes from electrical interference sneaking into your audio signals. Today, we're going to see how cable shielding acts like a shield to keep your sound clean and clear. In a music studio, noise can come from many sources like power cables, lighting, Wi-Fi routers, or nearby electronics. These generate electromagnetic interference and radio frequency interference that can sneak into your audio cables. When this happens, it creates hums, buzzes, or clicks that ruin recordings or monitoring. Shielded cables are designed to block this unwanted noise. They have a layer of conductive material wrapped around the inner wires. This shield is usually made of braided metal or foil. Its job is to catch stray electromagnetic fields before they reach the audio signal inside. Once captured, the interference is directed to ground, away from your audio pathway. There are two main types of audio cables used in studios. Balanced cables like XLR or TLS have three conductors: positive, negative, and ground. The shield in these cables is connected to ground at both ends, giving strong noise protection. Imbalanced cables like those for guitars or consumer devices have only two conductors, signal and ground. They relying more on the shield to reject noise. Using shielded cables is especially important when running audio near power cables or in areas packed with electronic devices. Keeping audio and power cables separate helps reduce interference, but shielding adds an extra layer of protection. For imbalanced cables, keeping runs short also helps because longer cables tend to pick up more noise. The quality of shielding varies among brands. Higher quality cables often have denser braiding or multiple shielding layers, offering better noise rejection. While these cables cost more, the difference in sound clarity can be noticeable, especially during critical recording or mixing. In a home studio, good cable management goes hand in hand with shielding. Organizing cables so that audio and power lines do not run parallel for long distances reduces interference. Even with shielded cables, poor routing can introduce noise. For the best results, always use balanced connections when possible. Invest in quality shielded cables and keep your studio tidy. Some setups use custom multi-channel cables called snakes, which run through walls. These often use high-quality shielded cables to keep signals clean over longer distances. Remember, shielding helps a lot, but it isn't a cure for all noise issues. Ground loops, bad equipment grounding, or internal device noise can still cause problems. Still, proper cable shielding is a reliable first step to keep your recordings free of unwanted noise. Focusing on cable shielding and management makes a real difference in your music production. It helps you concentrate on creating music instead of fixing noise problems. When your cables are well shielded and organized, your workflow becomes smoother and your recordings sound more professional.